and use of artificial kidney during hemodialysis. When both kidneys are all damaged, you are all resorting to hemodialysis. The blood is taken from the patient's body and given to the dialysing machine. Okay, and after dialysis, the urine is given back. It is introduced into the body of the patient, and when it is done, only nitrogenous waste materials are all removed. It is not at all responsible for the removal of other things. Kidney is having a number of other functions. It is responsible for the maintenance of salt balance, mainly the the potassium sodium balance. It is also responsible for the production of erythropoietin, which is responsible for the production of blood cells. So when kidney is not functioning, these functions are severely affected. Only nitrogenous waste materials are removed by dialysis. Other functions are not compensated. So you have complications. What are the complications? Nitrogenous waste materials are built up now. It is eliminated. Non-elimination of excess potassium ions. See, reduced absorption of calcium ion from gastrointestinal tract. The kidney is responsible for production of renin. That is responsible for the absorption of calcium also, sodium, calcium, etc. So from the alimentary canal, absorption of calcium is also reduced. That is severely affected because of the kidney failure. So reduced absorption of calcium, there are the results because of kidney failure. These are all the complications of kidney failure. Reduced RBC production. Okay, so these will not be occurring, but as a result of hemodialysis, see, because of the kidney failure, these are all occurring, but because of hemodialysis, the excess potassium that is accumulated, I told you, potassium will be accumulated. That's a consequence of kidney damage. That kidney damage is causing excess of potassium. That potassium accumulated is not sent out. Non-elimination of excess potassium ion is resulting because of the use of hemodialysis. So that is the correct answer. These are all the three are because of the kidney failure. The potassium become excess in patient with kidney failure. That potassium is not eliminated during hemodialysis. Okay, so non-elimination of excess potassium. Excess potassium formation is a consequence of kidney failure, and it is not eliminated because of that artificial kidney dialysis.